Hi guys, Celai here, and welcome to my beauty series. So today we're going to be making my very own cooling cucumber face mist. Alright guys, so of course, our main ingredient is going to be cucumber extract. And cucumber extract is anti-inflammatory and it gets rid of excess oil and clogged pores. And if you guys ever seen those pictures of people in this spa, you know that they have those cucumbers on their eyes, right? Yeah. And the reason behind that is because it gets rid of the dark spots under your eyes. And if you don't, anyway, they're still relaxing. I've never done it, but it just looks cool. Anyway, and okay. And we're gonna be using aloe vera as our base again. So, as I've always been telling you guys, aloe vera is super moisturizing and is anti-inflammatory. All right, let's get started. All right, so this is all our ingredients. So we're gonna be using this, and this is 59 milliliters. And if we're gonna be making a 5% solution, that means we're gonna be using 3 milliliters. All right. Sorry, that smells like cucumber, like that straight up. Okay. Wait, what? Did I just spit? Okay, yeah, that should be good. Okay. All right, so this is our 3 milliliters. Okay, now, okay. 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 Wait, what? Okay, anyway, let me shake this up a little bit. I can't really do it, I don't leave that much air. Anyway, all right. Yeah, that's it. I didn't mean to spit. I wasn't paying attention. Oh, wait, what? Oh, sorry. Anyway, okay, let me spray this on my face. Sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. Wow. That feels nice, because it definitely is a cooling cucumber face mist. Yeah. I'm just kidding. Okay, anyway, so, as I said earlier on accident, it smells like cucumber. Like when I smelled it, it really did. It smelled, remember that oil that we said, and it smelled like oranges? Yeah, anyway. And yes, this does definitely smell like cucumbers. And I remember when I did my lavender, I was able to smell and my nose was all tingly. But yeah, I really like this, and because I added the aloe vera, it is definitely going to be moisturizing to my face, and you guys could add glycerin if you want, but we're not going to. And yeah, I really am enjoying this, and I can't wait to continue using it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below if you've ever had cucumbers on your eyes, because I want to try it like really bad. But anyway, we just never really get cucumbers. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Bye!